Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check who liked your TikTok video. To find out who like your videos, you can just go to your activity. The activity options is on the inbox menu. So you can just tap on inbox here at the bottom. And then here you can click on the activity, and here you can see who view, who comment, or who like your videos. And to filter it, you can click on this all activity, and then since you want to check who like your videos, you can just click on this like and favorites options, and in here you can see the list of TikTok account that has like your videos and which videos that they like. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.